Hey everyone, this is Ed from Tech Talk with another really quick tutorial. So were you watching a video and you liked it so much you wanted to give it a thumbs up or subscribe and it said, "Oh, nope, you can't sign in." Well, it's really easy to do and it's free, so don't be afraid to do it. So go ahead and click sign in. And if you don't already have an account and you're not set up, just click down here and click create account and just say for my personal use or maybe for your child, it doesn't matter. So then you're just going to put your name in and the last name's optional. Then you click next and you can put your real birthday in here or not. I'll put my real birthday in so you all can send me gifts on my birthday. Just kidding. And gender doesn't really matter. I'm going to say custom. Just kidding. Just going to go with the male. And we'll click next and put an email address in. I'm going to have to give them a different one though, I think. What am I going to give them? All right, I got one. Ed underscore Wallace underscore senior at outlook.com. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit next and enter the verification code. So it'll send a verification code to your email. All right, then once you're in your email, go ahead and click on the Google email that they sent, and then just copy this code. Do copy, control copy, and then just go back to where we were. Then just go back to where you were, and then we will do Control V, and or you can just type it in and then hit next. And then now you're just going to type a password. Then once you're done doing that, you can toggle this to make sure that you can see it. Oh my Lord, is that my password? No, probably not. But anyways, I'm not going to use this anymore after I'm done here, so you can have it. So we're going to hit next, and we're going to do a phone number. Once you put your phone number in, go ahead and click next, and you should get a code to your phone. All right, so it did send me a code to the phone. I typed it in here. Now, if you didn't get the code, you can go ahead and hit get new code. That's fine. Um, Review your account info. It looks fine. Everything looks good. And read through the terms and agreement and whatever and click I agree. If you say no, you don't get to get in. So you can click more options to see, read more if you want. But if you don't want to save your YouTube history, you can click here. So I'll go ahead and hit I agree. You can choose either one you want. And that is pretty much it, my friends. And this is my other music channel. And if you want to hear some peaceful, relaxing music, head over to Peaceful Melodies and enjoy the songs. They're not too bad, and they're made from Suno AI. All right. Thanks for watching. If this helps you, please consider hitting like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And if you have any concerns you need help with, don't be afraid to send me a message. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.